Hello everyone, welcome back to our smartphone graphic design course by Skill Academy. Okay, so in this particular class, I'll be showing you how to create cover pages, okay, book cover pages. I'll be showing you how to create different cover pages for books, okay, it can be for ebooks or for hard copies. Okay, so the first thing you need to know is that when you want to create a cover page with your smartphone using Canva, you open up the app, you just open the app, and then when you come over here, you type in books, because normally the book templates are not on the first page over here. Like, you can't find any book templates on this front page here. So you need to type it in over here. You just need to type it in. Just go ahead and type book or books, anyone, or book template. Okay, so by the time you type it in, the templates will load and you'll see over 47,000 templates. Okay, so just click on see all over here. Now you can decide to choose whether the templates will be in landscape form or in portrait form. Okay, so whichever one you need to use in designing your cover page, just go ahead and select it. Okay, so but we are going to use this portrait one because that's the most popular template, or let's say the most popular design of cover pages that we see in books. Okay, so let's look for any of these to use. Now, if you are creating a cover page for children books, you need to use something colorful or something as as beautiful as this. Okay, or you go for the more colorful ones like this, something like this. Okay, so but if you are creating a cover page for a novel and other types of books, you just need to pay attention to the type of novel or the type of book it is, and then from there you can be able to decide the kind of design to give to it. Okay, so let's say we are creating a cover page with something like this, and ordinarily this is for a notebook, but you can change it to anything you want. You can just redesign it, add a little color here and there, make some modifications, and before you know it, you have your perfect cover page for your ebook. Okay, so let's work with this and see what we can be able to make of it. Now, the essence of us doing this is so that when you are designing your own, you can just take some clues from what we've done here and be able to, come up with better designs. Okay, so let's get to work immediately. So let's first create the title of our book. The title of our book can be anything. And over here, we can decide to use the first heading or the subheading for it. So let's use the first heading for it. Okay, let's just name our book Midnight Secrets. Midnight Secrets. Of course, I don't know if this is a name of any book in existence, okay, but we're just using it for the purpose of this class. Midnight Secret. So the moment you've been able to get your title, you can make some adjustments to it later on. Okay, let's say we leave it here. Midnight Secret. And we can also use something like this to, form our test design. Okay, so let's just say the title is Midnight Secrets. Now the next thing for us to do will be to include the author's name. The author's name can come over here. So let's wipe this one. Okay, let that box remain there first. We'll still come back to it and make out something. And make something out of it. Okay, so here we can enter the author's name with the subheading. Let's call the author's name John. John Snow. John Snow is a good name. Let's use it for the author's name. John. John Snow. Okay, let's say the author is John Snow. And then I'll drag this down here. Okay, so I want to change the whole title to caps lock. So I'm going to go over here and under format, I will select all caps lock over here. So the moment I do that, everything over here has changed. Okay. The moment I do that, everything will change just the way you are seeing it now. Okay, so next I want to change the color. You can also leave the color the same way if you want, but to make it more beautiful, you can change it to something else. Okay, so next I want to change the color to something else. So let's see if we can find a matching color that will look perfect on it. Okay, so this is actually where you need to adjust the colors, but if you need to go for more colors, you can just over here in the color palette, you can just edit this and select other colors. Okay, so you can change it to something like this. Okay, you can also change other colors on the book cover page. Okay, so now that we've changed that one, let's also change this Although I think that black is okay, but let's just make it a little bit bolder. So we can come to this session. Sorry, not the size. We just want to make it bolder. So we can go to formats over here and make it bolder. And also we can change the font. We can change the font to something else. Okay, can change the font to something else, maybe something like this. We can also, select another thing entirely. Okay. Midnight Secrets. Okay, can just choose to lift it up a little bit or bring it down. And then at the top here, we can, add something else there. Maybe just a write up, a little write up there, like something like this, an intriguing love story. An intriguing love story. Okay, let me move it a little bit. That position seem really nice. Okay, so um, I'm going to change the color to. I'm going to change the color to match what we have here. Okay, and then I'll make it a little bit bolder. Okay, also I'll change the font. Maybe to this. Okay, so I think that's perfect. Okay, so this is actually, I think this looks nice. Okay, this looks nice for a cover page. I'm going to remove the box. It doesn't look nice with it. Okay, so with this we have a cover page that can serve for an ebook. Okay, a cover page that can serve for an ebook. We can also still do a little bit of changes to this, maybe with the color. Okay, it looks perfect now. It looks perfect now. So we can download it, having designed it, or we can just click at the button here to download it. Okay, so it's saving in our smartphone.